Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by collecting essentials so you don't guess later. Record ISP credentials, any static IPs, DNS values, and Wi-Fi SSIDs and passwords. Back up the router configuration file. Next, power cycle the modem and router. Unplug for 30 seconds, then plug back in and wait for full sync. Once done, use a laptop wired to the router to avoid Wi-Fi flakiness, and verify you can reach the router admin page before proceeding to resets or firmware checks. You'll try non-destructive fixes before erasing settings. Perform a soft reset or reboot and reapply your saved config to see if that cures the issue. This preserves PPPoE and DHCP. If unresolved, factory reset. Hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds, then reconfigure step by step. After reset, immediately update firmware, set DHCP ranges to avoid conflicts, assign static IPs for critical devices, and choose Wi-Fi channels or enable auto channel selection to reduce interference. Now complete the setup and confirm reliability. Recreate the SSID and strong password, enable WPA2 or WPA3, and change the router admin default password. Restore any necessary port forwards or co-S rules from your backup. Test thoroughly. Ping the gateway, run traceroute to a public host, and perform a speed test from wired and wireless clients. Make sure to monitor system logs for 15 to 30 minutes. Troubleshooting tip. If intermittent failures continue, isolate a single device wired to the router and test to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.